So last year around this time, I was expecting my Deloitte promotion results to come, and around April, sorry, not May, April. And I was hoping that, of course, I completed 3 years. I am definitely going to get promoted because there's a system in Deloitte in which the way you get promoted. So it's like 3 years you have to be in a position to get promoted to next level. Every organization has different structure. So Deloitte had 3 years, and I did my best. Every single thing I did to make sure that I will get promoted that year. But unfortunately, when the results came out, I was shocked and surprised as well to see that my results were I am not getting promoted this year, and they shifted it to next year, which is this year. And in Deloitte, we had this thing as coach. So, coach is the person in Deloitte who is completely responsible for your growth in Deloitte. So, coach will tell you about all the results and everything about whether you're getting promoted or not. So, coach tells me, sorry, this year you're not getting promoted. You will be promoted next year. I was pissed off. First of all, I tried my hard to get fast track promoted after 2 years because my managers were aligned, they were up for it because of my performance, and the rating was also really good. And they did not fast track promoted me. In third year also, they just ignored my promotion. I was disheartened. And when I checked back, when I asked my seniors about why they didn't promote me, the vague reason which I got was because I didn't come to office twice a week, which was vague reason. I told this is not the reason why you do not promote people. I had client feedbacks, everything positive. Manager's feedback was positive. Everybody was in support of my promotion. I have no clue what happened in the back end side that they did not decide to promote me, and I got really pissed off. And why I'm saying this story is I just wanted to let you know that you need only fire and a dedication of 2 months to crack a new job or to switch your current job. So currently, many of you also might have received your results about hike, increment, promotion, and many of you are not satisfied with what you got. So analyze the situation properly. But being in my place, 15 years I was working in Deloitte. I gave my best. I worked really hard. Sometimes extended, sat extra hours also many times to work and to understand things when I was wrong, or maybe few things when I did not understand. And that fire and that I really got furious. And this made me to put my complete dedication and focus on switching. From April to May, completely 2 months, I just dedicatedly worked hard and applied, asked for referrals, updated my profiles, changed my resume, LinkedIn updation, everything I did because I was so furious. I was like, I do not have to continue here. Even though Deloitte gave me a lot of learnings, but my only point was learnings are good, increments are also okayish, but when there is no promotion, when they do not appreciate your efforts, you feel disheartened. For 3 years, we wait for that particular moment that yeah, finally hard work paid off, you are promoted, but nothing happened. So, from this video, my intention is that I just want everybody who are in that situation, who feels that they are much more deserving and who are more caliber of getting more better things than what they're getting now, I would recommend put your 100%. Just give 2 months. Don't see left, don't see right. Just completely focus on switching that now. That's it. Because for me, it was the thing. I was actually did not expect. Really did not expect that I won't be promoted. I reached out to so many people asking that what was the reason of my promotion. Everybody said that we had full support. Everybody means people who had my promotion in their hands. I questioned them and they replied that we were in full support. See, we gave full ratings also because of your exceptional work, but we don't know what happened. And when I went to more senior team, they said because you didn't come to office, they did not promote people who didn't come to office. I know there might be some different reason, but I still do not know what was it. But I was really upset, and that upset I converted into motivation, and I worked really hard, and I really gave so many interviews, got around I think 7 to 8 offers I got, and finally switched my company. So I think When you know that you deserve more and you are capable of more better things, you should be self-aware in that terms and you should leave at right time. Otherwise, you will be just stuck at same place, no growth, no monetary benefits, nothing. So that's the reason. If you have received your results and you feel you're not satisfied, go take this as a motivation. Give your 100%. Just allot 2 months of your time. April is gone already. Complete May and June. Focus and get what you really deserve. Now is the only right time. Otherwise, you will just be sitting at same place and you will be regretting that I should have done this before. I'm doing it right now. So these all things should not be there. Otherwise, it's just regrets which are there with us. So better go work hard now. Give your best. So I would suggest, if you have plans to switch and you are just procrastinating, stop procrastinating because you deserve really better and more. So go study, work hard, just 2 months of dedication. Don't waste your time. After working hours, even if you get 30-40 minutes extra, consume it. Study, read, prepare for interviews, give your best in interviews. Interview calls are coming, great, awesome. But after coming, you're not preparing well to crack it, then it's not a good idea. So work hard in that terms and give your best in interviews. Be confident and get what you deserve. That was the only intention I wanted to convey. I was just seeing that it's May and April month. People are releasing their letters, like companies are releasing their letters of hike, increment, and promotion letters. Thank you for watching and all the very best for your switching and preparation journey. I hope you get the best what you deserve. See you.